are thrown away. But here, waste becomes a valuable resource. Welcome to a primitive organic fertilizer factory.
What was once trash will soon feed the soil.
No machines, no chemicals, only natural process.
A sustainable system built by hand. Let's uncover how banana waste becomes organic fertilizer.
After fruit is taken, the rest is usually left to rot. But here, nothing is wasted. Every part of the banana plant has new purpose.
Collection is simple, human-powered, and sustainable. Raw materials ready for transformation. Fresh organic matter full of nutrients.
The factory receives its daily harvest. The journey from waste to fertilizer begins here.
Before transformation, the waste must be prepared.
Sorting ensures balanced compost quality.
Only clean organic matter moves forward.
Simple washing removes excess soil.
Pure organic material ready for processing.
Each type of waste has its next role.
Experience guides natural quality control. To speed decomposition, the waste must be broken down.
Simple tools, powerful results.
Every motion guided by experience.
Large waste becomes fine organic matter.
Nutrient-rich material exposed.
Human energy replaces electricity.
The compost base is forming.
Balance is key to healthy fertilizer.
Perfect structure for fermentation, vegetation. Moisture and texture checked by touch.
The raw material for organic fertilizer is now ready.
Banana waste alone is powerful balm, but balance creates perfect fertilizer.
Natural additives enrich the formula. Carbon and nitrogen find harmony.
Moisture awakens microbial life.
Traditional methods meet natural science. Now, the fermentation journey begins. Now the fertilizer truly begins its life. The living material is ready to be shaped into piles.
Even structure ensures even decomposition.
A simple design built for natural efficiency.
Layers create airflow inside the pile.
Traditional tools measure internal balance.
Small-scale production, multiplied by repetition.
The invisible work of nature begins.
Experience confirms readiness.
An organic factory powered by the earth.
The waiting phase begins to feed. Time will do the rest.
Time becomes the main worker. Heat builds quietly inside.
The pile is ready to breathe.
Color changes signal transformation.
Turning brings oxygen to living matter.
A simple motion keeps life active.
Fibers soften. Nutrients release.
Additives spectrum restorations. Experience replaces instruments.
Waste slowly becomes fertilizer.
Each pile follows its own rhythm.
The soil food is almost ready.
Nature has done its work.
Banana waste has become organic fertilizer.
After fermentation, the fertilizer must dry naturally.
Texture is refined for easy soil absorption.
Nutrients exposed and ready.
The sun becomes the final processor.
Even drying ensures stable quality.
Perfect dryness achieved by touch.
Natural materials complete the cycle.
A factory built entirely with nature.
Experience confirms maturity.
The matured fertilizer now enters its final refinement.
No machines, only strength and tradition.
Coarse matter becomes soft soil food.
Only fine fertilizer moves forward. Texture perfected by hand.
Ready to return nutrients to the earth.
Packaging remains simple and natural.
From banana waste to life for new crops. The finished fertilizer is stored, ready for the next journey. From workshop to farmland, without engines or fuel.
A supply chain powered by human hands.
The fertilizer returns to where life begins.
Nutrients return to the earth naturally.
Banana waste becomes food for new plants.
A complete natural cycle is formed.
Waste, work, and nature united.